So I want to show you this cocktail smoker kit, which comes with the wooden top, the screen, 4 different flavors of wood chips, the cover to cover it, 2 stainless steel ice cubes, a little cleaner to clean this out, gold metal spoon, 2 wooden dice, a lighter. It just doesn't come with butane, and this is to depressurize the lighter. So that tool is for down here, so empty it out before you fill it up. So let's go ahead and use it, see how it looks. So we've got the ice in here already, stainless steel ice cubes. Pack it. I decided to go with cherry flavor. Looks pretty cool and it smells amazing. Ooh wee. Cheers.